In the daylight, when the night comes to lower, comes a pause in the day's occupation that is known as the children's hour. Brave Alice, nangarandano, anak na sa Laughing Allegri, and Edith with the golden hair. A whisper, and then a silence, yet I know by their merry eyes, they are plotting and planning together to take me by surprise. That is it. Paglulubog na daw ang araw, tigil mong trabaho mo. That is known as the children's hour. Dahil maya matutulog na yung mga bata, ay nag-whole day ka magtrabaho. Children's hour, 1 hour lang. Tama na. Sa litrato daw mo ya. Ya ko na rin. Sino rin? Anya, ya dia.
Next poem na.
Next poem. Ano. Once I saw a little bird come, hop, hop, hop. So I cried, little bird, won't you please stop, stop, stop. Then I went to the window to say, how do you do? But the bird shook its wings and away flies he. Nakuha mo? Doon sa bintana namin noon, yung malapit sa Mabolo tree dyan. Malimit yung mga maya doon. Yung tandaan niyo yung children's hour raw, yan ang between the dark and the daylight, when the night comes to lower, comes a pause in the day's occupation that is known as the children's hour.